Hey, what's going on, y'all? Health and Wealth Dad here, DeAndre. This is the Bitcoin chart. I'm on a 12-month time frame. So this is a very large time frame. See the bigger picture of price action. So of course, we can go way back 2017 when, Bitcoin became put it up, allowed it to be present on TradingView. And so we see that price action was like 4,000. And then we had all that the high all-time high of around 69K. And then we pulled back to these levels right here, which is silly of me to not grab this 16K level. I was listening to most people saying that it will go lower, and I just didn't buy. And life happened, and I just let this thing pretty much run. And then I just started, buying at like 30K and then up to like the 50Ks. But that was, if I can go back in time, I will grab a lot of this. But as they say, you get Bitcoin at the price that you deserve, and I definitely deserve this whole candles. Uh, most of most of society will probably get it above 100K, 150K, and that'll be the price that they deserve. So I have to be at least grateful that I'm in under 100K and even under 80K at this point. So, or even under 50K. So gotta be appreciative. And now I know. And any pullbacks, I'm going to grab them. Any dollar cost averaging, I'm going to continue to stack Satoshis. Continue to stack. So this is the 12-month time frame. Uh, there's a few things here. I want to go to the monthly. I see a couple handle. Cup and handle is a bullish pattern. That many technical analysis traders will see and identify as a bullish pattern, meaning that the price can go up. And so I drew this on the monthly time frame, which is still a really high, it's not a 12-month, but it's it's a high time frame. I'm not looking at the 5-minute time frame. It's too much noise there, not the 15-minute hour, not even the daily. This is the monthly here. So it's really good candlestick, and it shows the bigger picture. So this is the cup, which we see right here, just like you're holding the cup. So that's the cup. And then this is the handle that's forming from the cup. And so I'm thinking that if we don't break here pretty soon at the 68K level and above 70K, like if we break this 67K level and come back down, I think we can even test back to like this 54, 55K level. And so I will go down on a smaller time frame so you can kind of see uh that price level, uh which will form a deeper handle. So this is that level that we're at. We're just basing around this whole time. We're not doing anything. We're just bouncing up 60K and then going all the way up to like 70K. So we're pretty much in the 10K range. This is the time where you could accumulate, and we can get a breakout above all-time highs. So you can accumulate here. You could accumulate anywhere. Any Bitcoin that you can hold and use as a savings tool, as a form of you know, permissionless, decentralized technology, I think is really, really good and really important for your future. So, Bitcoin is not just a trading tool, but looking at the chart will allow you to uh, get, better prices. Even if you are thinking long term, why not get more coins at, more Bitcoin, more Satoshis at 60K than at 70K? That's a 10K difference. Now, of course, in the long run, it may not make much difference, but it still makes a difference in percentage gains and value. So that makes a difference. So we're in this range. If we can break above this 71.2 level, then we'll go to all-time highs. We could wake out and come back down, which is definitely possible to happen. They can wake up and then break out and then wake back down. And I'm thinking that it could come right here. So as we see this, like this flag, uh, we see a flag here, right? this flag is like part of that cup from that cup on handle pattern. And so normally you need like 3 touches, 3 to 4 touches before a good breakout of any level. Any level or any trend line, you need at least 2 to 3 touches. Me preferably, I like at least 3 touches. It gives me more confirmation, more confluence in making my decision if I want to go long or short. But I don't really trade Bitcoin too much anymore. But because I'm a long-term investor when it comes to Bitcoin. But I do want to see the chart and see where it's going, and I want to get the uh you know a good entry for if I do decide to take long, or if I do want to get a good price for my long-term portfolio. All right. So that's that one touch here, as we see. And then we got another touch right there. And then we got another touch. That's 3 touches. Here, breakdown here, we got, I mean, you could use this too, these wicks right here as that trend line, but I'm using this right here. So this wick, this wick. So that's 2 touches. So if we fail to break out, then it gives me a reason to believe that we'll come here to that 55K level. And I don't see any major, bullish price action until like the fall. So that would give me a bigger reason. This could chop around for a long time. Um, if nothing happens pretty soon here, it can just keep chopping up. So we just don't know. If someone really knows, it's looking bullish as we're seeing on the monthly time frame that this could be the handle and break out. So it can break out from this range, or even at this level, it could bounce back up and break out. But I like to see that handle kind of go lower and lower and potentially come to 40, 54, 55K. And if we look over to the left, we will see that, that's a previous level, previous price action that it bounced off in the past. Of course, internet, it can be a little slow over here sometimes. Let's see. Let's see if it loads for me. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. But yeah, shout out to, Roaring Kitty right now, putting, almost $200 million in the GameStop. That's crazy. That's a lot of money. So my price action isn't showing because I'm using a lot of power on my computer right now. My TradingView just can't handle that processing power. Oh, there we go. So I had a level right here, right? If it comes back down from this flag, which is the handle, that 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, so around here, which is that 55K. And you see right here, if you go to the left, see, that's a level that it bounced from. Bounced, and then, came down, but it bounced here too. It bounced. So that is a key level, 54, 55K, around that level that it can bounce. There we go. Yeah. Even right here, that's a good level right there, 53K. So pretty much from 53K to 56K, that's a 3K range that it can bounce. And then, these stochastics will come to that oversold area. And every time, obviously, it comes to that oversold territory, starts to bounce majorly, and then comes back down to that overbought territory. And as we see, we came to that overbought territory, and now we started to sell off. And that's where we're at right now. Now we're just kind of trying to decide if we want to, bounce off of these levels. And look at that stochastic right here, which is where we're at right now, where it bounced. So, only time will tell. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and we shall see what's gonna happen moving forward with Bitcoin. Peace.